My name is Steve Smith. This is TQA Weekly. If ever you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or drop them down below either on my website or on YouTube. And if you want to make this show actually better, you can go to patreon.com/TQA Weekly and pitch in $1 or more per month to help me out with this show. Just so that none of you worry, it's going to be the holidays, so happy holidays. Do not drink and drive. I will not be putting out an episode for the next 2 weeks. And this week's episode, finally for those who hate waiting, learn patience, people. Clean install of Windows 10 as an upgrade method and how it works. It will be very simple and it's a very guideline type show. So first of all, obviously do your backups. Make sure that they are not connected to your computer when you are doing this as well. I shouldn't have to explain to anybody about this, but still, do your backups. Windows is able to do this kind of stuff and identify which computer has which serial numbers in which computers at what time because it has something known as a hardware ID that is deeply entrenched with the identifiers of each of your specific physical components in your computer. RAM, motherboard, graphics cards, CPUs, the works. Because of this, it will already know that you previously had Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 because it will be able to compare the hardware ID. So if you have never upgraded to Windows 10 and have Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 installed, this is the method that you can in fact choose if you are not intent on doing a hardware upgrade at the same time. If you want to do a hardware upgrade, do not do it at the same time. Do it after you install. I know you're going to have to uninstall a driver, but who the F cares? You can't do whatever you want for this kind of thing. This is supposed to be a very simple process, and it requires that the hardware ID matches perfectly. One character non-match is enough to say it doesn't match at all. So do not change any of the hardware in your computer when you're doing this. You will also have to go through the media creation tool to create a version of Windows 10 which is 15.11 build 10.240. So anything that you'll be creating now from the media creation tool will actually exceed that and support the threshold to install process. And that will be linked up at the top of this video via card, or just go back to my episode and I'll actually have it so that you can actually link to it and follow those instructions if you actually go through my website at tqaweekly.com/SE6EP16, and I'll link back to the media creation episode as well. Then once you have that media creation tool done, don't touch anything in your computer and have made all your backups. Make sure the computer's connected to the internet. Plug in or insert the disk for your actual Windows 10 media installer, and then just start the process. So that is basically it. Just follow the instructions Windows gives you. You won't be asked for your serial number, and then you can do whatever the heck you want after with the operating system. As usual, you just will not have your previous operating system underlying, as many people will have it. You'll have a clean install. And this is thanks to Microsoft finally allowing Threshold 2 the ability to do this, as well as already having had access to our hardware identifier. So if you're wondering how they were able to do it, it's because of your hardware ID, and the process is fairly simple provided you have the correct disk. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like or dislike and share with those that you think can benefit from this. And of course, happy holidays. Don't drink and drive. And don't forget my Patreon at patreon.com/TQA Weekly. Have a great day and goodbye.